Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Claudia Walks here, and guys, I'm coming live from the farm. This is a different farm, guys. I've not introduced you to it, so if you like the video, can you subscribe? For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support Claudia Walks. And guys, today I'm in a different county. I'm not in Machakos County, whether I'm not in Nairobi County. I'm coming live from Makueni County. So if you like this video, subscribe, give it a like, and you know what to do. Share with your friends, and let's take a walk, a tour of this beautiful farm. These are mango trees. They are not ready actually. We have some lemons here. We have oranges. Yeah, also we have what do you call these, pigeon peas around. Pigeon peas are many around, and mangoes. So this is water. You see it? This is water. We have more mango trees around. So if you like this video, subscribe. Taking me to 10,000 subscribers. Actually, it's 2:00 today, and I'm a bit tired. You can see what we are doing. We are collecting beans, and the dry beans, and at the same time we are trying to clean the farm. So stay here, don't go anywhere. I will take you around. We have Vivian around here.
Hello guys. Hey, I'm excited to be in this farm today. There's so many things you can learn from.
Yeah.
There's so many mangoes, maize, beans. Wow. That's quite
So there is a lot of work to be done around. Yes.
Hi.
Hello Kitty. So let me know in the comments, do you do farming in your country? From where you're watching this video from, let us know. Yeah. Oh. Wow. This is a borehole. We have water here. Water is not a problem around. What?
Who said Africa is dry?
Hmm?
Who said Africa is dry?
Actually, this is the other side of Africa. They don't see it on TV.
Yeah, they said this they don't see in the internet.
Yes, they hide it. But we are here to showcase everything. Yeah? Yeah, bado.
Wow. Can you see a fish? They're frogs.
They are frogs. This is water actually. Water here is not a problem.
Blackjack.
It's a weed here in Kenya, Africa, but I know in some countries
They don't know what is that.
Mongo. It's a medicine here actually. Eti nati nituimanda baba. Unaweza unya miongwe baadaye.
Guys, I have an orange.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Actually, Vivian is so excited.
I'm so excited.
It's your first time, eh?
Yeah, it's my first time to be in a big farm.
Okay, I think you should learn from
Claudia.
Claudia. Yeah. Vivian, are you planning to become a farmer maybe in future?
Yeah, I want to be a farmer. I want to get my vegetables from my farm and just eat something which is organic, which is something that I've planted. I know what is. You know, nowadays they're so. Is it GMO?
Yes, GMO.
Yeah, I don't want to be eating things which are GMO. I want to grow my own vegetables, my own fruits. Yeah,
that's amazing.
That's the plan I have in future.
In future.
Yes.
So Vivian,
Yes.
you have also a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
What like inspired you to start a YouTube channel?
Yeah, first thing which has inspired me is Claudia Walks.
Hey,
she started
my God.
before me, and I was like, I want to be like her. But now my niche is cooking.
Oh, you
Yeah,
specialize in cooking.
Yeah, I love cooking.
That's
so much.
amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Oh, waku. So guys, Vivian,
Yes.
so we were trying to greet a neighbor.
Yeah.
Yes. So Vivian, do you have like let's say you are an upcoming YouTuber. Actually, you are remaining with
130, I think 131
to get to 1K. So guys, if you're watching this video, support Vivian. Also Vivian, like you know, I'm a Jamaican girl. They call
Yes,
me
you are a
Jama-
Jamaican girl. One love.
One live, and big up to you guys. You're so amazing.
Yeah,
You're so
they're amazing.
supportive.
Yeah.
So have you ever heard of this country known as Jamaica?
Yeah, I have heard of Jamaica so many times,
Uh-huh.
and in plenty when you started covering Jamaican content.
Yeah.
So at least now I have an idea where is Jamaica. It's Caribbean, and the popular reggae. Is it reggae?
Yes, it's reggae.
Yeah, Bob Marley.
Bob Marley.
One of Bob Marley, actually.
What about Vibes Cartel? Just we can stand here. Let me see if the sun is too hot, so we can face this direction. Let me see. Yes, thank you. I think this one is okay. So you said that I personally inspired you to start a YouTube channel.
Yes.
What mostly do you like about me?
I like how hardworking you are.
Thank you.
Yeah, like you're a girl with purpose.
Purpose.
Yes.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, and
Purpose.
she's looking forward to come to Jamaica very
Yes,
soon.
very soon.
That's something that I've been supporting her to do.
Mm-hmm.
So you guys, this girl loves you so much. I can attest to that. I know you love Jamaica.
Yeah. So most of people that have been complaining, like they are on my Instagram and others on comment about me doing farming at a young age. Okay, the reason why I've done this video and I invited you to the farm
Yes.
is to come and give like a testimony, to testify about all this farming thing. People are saying that I'm young doing farming. It's a lie.
No, it's not a lie actually. Today is an holiday in Kenya,
Yes.
so we took time to come and
tour
check
the
tour the farm. Yeah, so I'm excited. I'm really proud of what I've seen in your farm.
Yeah.
There's so much. Like you guys, she's not that young for farming. She's not young for farming.
Some
Like
keep on asking, Claudia, how old are you? How old are you? But you know, we ladies, we don't
disclose our age. That is
so guys, I'm not that young. For maybe in some things I'm young, but in others
you're old enough to do, especially the farming. I'm so proud of you.
Yes, thank you so much. I normally guys, water is not a problem here. We have boreholes and they supply water. You can see these are pipes for supplying water. Yeah, everything is okay, cool in the village. We have also another project. Look at this. And for those who maybe want to visit my farm, to visit once, next time I'll charge. Because I know there are some people outside there who want to tour this farm. So yeah, you come, you tour my farm, I take you around, I educate you, and then you pay back. You pay me. Look at this. It's mains gone. So these pipes goes all the way up to, from where you have seen that tank, up to here, and all the way from here up to that far. And actually it's far. We have put like this one pipes like after every 4 lines. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. We put a pipe. We have several of them around. So stay here, don't go anywhere as I take you around. The farm is too big. Actually on this side maize were not that affected. On this side the rain did not affect this area. It did not rain that much. And remember, the place is not that dry, but we use borehole water to water the plants, most of the trees, the maize. Even if it's not a season of maize, we have maize. The food is ever here. Look at my legs. Look at how I'm looking. Village girl, real village life. So we wanna go inside. Let's move on this side. Oh, yeah, the maize are doing well. Really amazing. So sorry for that, guys. So the reason why I'm talking in a lot, I'm really tired. I've been working since morning. I came here very early in the morning. Actually I woke up today. I woke up at around 5 and I arrived here at around 7:30. I used train to come here. So let's take a tour of this farm. This is where you normally store water. So Vivian, together.
about Jamaican food.
Oh, so Viviana, which do you know some of Jamaican foods? You are a chief chef.
I'm a chief chef. Yeah. So there's a meal we tried last week, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was very delicious. That is pumpkin rice, pumpkin beans.
Yes.
Yeah, and actually I followed the comments. I saw what the Jamaican fans were saying about it.
Yeah.
One thing I think we missed is the coconut milk.
Yes, they were complaining that if the rice has got no coconut,
it's not a Jamaican meal.
It's not a Jamaican, but we are sorry for that.
Yeah,
we didn't know, but we are learning. It was our first time.
Yeah, it was our first time. Huh?
Yes.
So maybe next, very soon I'm going to try it again, and I'm going to include coconut milk.
Yes.
Yeah, I was told that is a must. Like it has to be there.
Yes, that's a must. Huh?
Okay. So
okay.
There's also another chicken, jack chicken.
Jack chicken. Have you
that
ever?
One is I have not tested it yet, but I've interacted with Jamaican friends and my Jamaican girl. She loves jack chicken. So
yeah,
that's another thing I'm going to try actually this coming week. So stay tuned in my channel. I'm going to try jack chicken for the first time.
Yes.
Yeah. I hope it will come out well.
Let's pray and hope that.
Yeah,
and I'm hoping that she will invite me.
I will invite you. I'll invite you. Yeah, you have to taste it.
Okay, Viviana. What are your plans about this YouTube journey? Are you planning to travel, or you are just doing like cooking?
No, okay, you know, cooking is a global thing, and what we eat here in Africa, maybe other continents they don't eat that. So I'm planning to start traveling,
and
I want to explore a lot of food from worldwide. Like, yeah,
that's so amazing.
I'm also coming to Jamaica. Yeah, I'll go to Jamaica actually.
Okay, welcome to Jamaica.
You go first.
I
then
come
you
for you.
For me.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Viviana, I think we'll continue with this video maybe later.
Yeah.
So guys, stay here, don't go anywhere. And as we told you that we're
in the farm. You see what I'm carrying? I'm going to prepare breakfast. So you're welcome.
You're welcome. When you are with Claudia, everything is sorted, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Watch the video till the end, guys.